everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Halloween look, which I'm very excited about. So we are starting with a normal skin routine and then moving on to primer. So this is the Baby Skin Pore Eraser. I'm just putting that all over my face. Next up is the Floor More Perfect Coverage Foundation. I'm just doing my normal foundation routine. So foundation, powder, contour, eyebrows, all the lovely stuff. And then we are moving on to the actual paint of the face. So I'm not going to talk a lot. I'm sure you've seen this 8,000 times. My foundation routine doesn't really change. So enjoy this bit and I'll see you at the face paint stage. So the first thing I'm going to do is just map out what I want to achieve. So I want a mask-like appearance, if you can say so. So I'm just taking a nudish pencil and sketching out my holes for my eyes and then just checking it from that. The first thing I'm going to use is the face paint from Bostik. This was actually really hard to work with, so I had to scrape off a bit and make it pliable and work with it on my palette. So I tried that, so it really dried down quickly, so I had to work very fast with this product just to get it on my skin. So I used different kinds of brushes for this, but the best one was the dual fiber brush from Morphe. So I tried to work as quickly as possible just to get that laid on my face, and then afterwards I'll be going in with a eyeshadow. So after I've put on the paint, I'm going in with this Beauty Treats Modern Matte palette. Really love this palette, very pigmented. So I'm taking the red eyeshadow and just blending out the edges so that it looks a bit more faded and not as harsh. I was going for a very blended, very faded, just so that I can lay down the web later on. So after I've done this, I'm going to begin with my black track from MAC, my gel liner, and just start by outlining the eyes. This didn't work really nicely, so I went in with a cheap liquid liner, and then afterwards that got dried up as well. So then from there on I literally switched to Crafts paint. So I used black Crafts paint with a precise eyeliner brush to do literally the rest. I had the hardest time with this liner. So yeah, I did you can't even see my face. So then I just took some paint and did the outlines, and then from there on I started with the web. So I first drew all the vertical lines before I did the actual shape of the web. So I wanted to do from the middle of my face and just work my way out, and then added all the wave lines in between. After I did the web, I did a little spider drawing. I wish I actually made it a little bit more detailed, but yeah, that's what it is. Next, I'm using the Roses palette from Beauty Treats. Really love these palettes, so pigmented. And I just did a simple light brown in the crease, just not too much. And then adding a bit of lashes. I went for a nice fabulous lash from Eyelash Boutique. This is my favorite lashes. You'll see in a second. Oh, okay, first a bit of highlight. You can never forget the highlight. That's what I always do. It's the Jaclyn Hill palette in the shade In Light, my favorite shade ever. So just highlighting a bit first in the inner corners, just to brighten up those eyes, and then a bit on the brow bone. And then afterwards, I'll be going in with lashes. Lash Princess mascara. So I'm doing the bottom lashes first because I know when I get those lashes on, I will not be able to do the bottom lashes. So mascara first on the bottom lashes, and then we're moving on to the actual fake strip eyelashes. So now that the lashes are in place and on the eyes, I'm going on to lips. I'm using the MAC Ruby Woo lip pencil, nice bright red, just to line my lips and then fill it in. And I'm going with a liquid lip just for its long-lasting power. And this is the Silk Matte Flormar liquid lip in 07 Claret Red. This is a great, comfortable, bright red gloss. No, it's not a gloss, it's a matte lip. So this is what I used, and it looks perfect with it. I'm just finishing off the eyes here, so a bit of extra mascara just to blend the falsies in with the real ones. And then we're all done. All that's left is the hair. I'm adding a bit of glitter with gel mixed into my hair and a nice webby top, and we're done. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. This was such a great look. I loved it so much. Check all my social media links in the down bar below. See you next time. Bye bye.